Let's learn how to install a WordPress theme. So let's log in our WordPress admin panel, then click on Appearance and then Themes. Alright, then click on Add New. Alright, these are the themes you can use freely. These are from WordPress.org official website. So if you want to install a new WordPress theme, then you need to click on Upload Theme and then click on Choose File. And here is my theme, that is 2019. So click on it and then click on Install Now. Okay, this has been installed. Now click on Activate. Alright, our new theme has been installed and activated. So let's see how actually it will look. Okay, this is the new theme look of my website. You can also install a WordPress theme from your server. So here we see that we have two themes here and 2017 themes already installed here. So if you want to add another theme, we can upload it through our server. So I will show you how we can install another theme from your local server or from any online server. So at first you need to copy your theme. So I am going to my localhost and I am just copying my theme here, and now I will go to my server panel, that is my project. That's name is my project, and I need to click on WP content, then click on themes and then just paste the theme here. Okay, now you can see that the three themes listed here, and if we refresh at our admin panel, then you will also see that new theme. Okay, this theme we have copied and pasted over our cPanel, and you can see it here. Now you can activate it and use it. So let's click on activate. Okay, all right, it's already activated. So it's very much easy to install a WordPress theme, whether from WordPress admin panel or from a server. So let me know if you face any problem installing a WordPress theme. Thank you.